Is the voice chat not working on Mobile Legends Bang Bang on your iPhone? Don't worry. Follow these 3 advanced troubleshooting processes that will fix the microphone or voice chat problem on Mobile Legends. So let's get started. Solution 1. Check voice chat settings. Open the Mobile Legends app, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner, select sound from the settings tab. Scroll down, under the background chat settings, make sure all the options are turned on including voice chat, and also make sure the volume level is high. Then restart the game. Solution 2. Update the Mobile Legends app. Open the App Store, type Mobile Legends. Now if you find any updates, please update the app. But if you can't find any updates, then skip to Solution 3. Solution 3. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, tap iPhone Storage, search Mobile Legends Bang Bang, tap on it, tap Offload app again. And lastly, tap Reinstall app. And hope one of these processes will fix the voice chat issue in Mobile Legends Bang Bang on your iPhone. Now if you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.